A PR packet. This brand reached out and they sell like nipple covers and boob tape, and so I was like, yeah, I'd love to try. So I actually don't own any of these products, and I feel like I should as a girl. I'm excited to see. Okay, so the brand is Busties. 2 premium nipple covers. And this is their breast tape kit. Okay, cool. I actually linked both of these in my Amazon storefront if you want to check them out, but I just want to kind of open it and see what it looks like. Okay, whoa. Okay, these are what these look like. Obviously, I'm not gonna like show me trying them on, but maybe whenever I actually wear a shirt that I need them, I will show that, I guess. Okay, this is like a little kit, so it comes with boob tape. Is that what you call it? Okay, it comes with breast tape and then little, like smaller nipple covers, and then these like flower petals. What is this? Oh, it comes with a little bag to put everything in it. Okay, fun. I'm gonna go ahead and put like all this in here so I don't lose it. I guess this is instructions, so if you don't know how to use them. I'm actually so excited to try these. I just have never really owned a pair, and so I'm gonna test them out in a later video and see if I like them.